What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna make a video on how to replace your reverse lever on a Sea Doo GTI. This is a 2010 GTI, as you can see, but it doesn't matter if it's a 2010 130, 155, or whatever other ones. It's gonna be the same procedure to replace the lever. I bought this lever on eBay, had it delivered to me. It's actually a fairly simple process to replace it. It is just two Torx screws. I'll show you here on the other side. So it's just these two Torx T25 screws. So you just have to lift it up like if you were actually on reverse, and if with the T25 you remove the screws. And then after you remove the screws, all you have to do is put the new lever in place. Now with the old lever out, you will put a little bit of Loctite on the screws just to be sure they're not gonna come undone with vibration. And then you will just put the new lever in place with the screws. Simple, fast, and easy, just like that. And that's it. Here's another quick tip for maintenance on your SeaDoo GTI. See you next time.